Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya from the Jazzy Jewels, and in this video we will learn how to make these beautiful flower earrings decorated using pearl beads. So let's get started. So first of all, we will make a flower out of wire like this, and for the same I have taken a thick golden wire, a long golden wire like this, you can see. And to make the petals out of this round petals, we need a instrument which will act as a base. You can take like a box cap of Fevicol bottle or a big marker. In this video I have taken this nail art bottle, and I am using this cap as a base to make the flower petals. So to make the petals, just wrap one end of the wire to just that. No need to take any plier, it can be easily bendable. So you can see that we have made one petal, and likewise we have to make other 4 petals. So just next to the first petal, make another one. Just keep on bending like this, and you can see that we have made our first two petals, and in the same manner we have to make other 3 petals so that we can make a complete flower. This one is the last one. So now you can see that our flower is ready. It is beautifully carved. Now we will attach beads, pearl beads like this. For this, I have taken a small size pearl bead, and just take 5 beads and insert them in the same other end of the same wire. And bring them to the end of the flower, and just make a round of that beads by moving the wire like this. And you can see that once we move the wire only one time, it is very easily attached and it is not movable, so that there is no fear of falling down the beads or something. And in order to make it to the other side, just bring this wire to the opposite side of the flower, and again repeat the same process. Add 5 pearl beads, and make a circle out of them. I have taken 6th one, so I remove last 2 and take the 5, and make a circle and just wrap them around. Okay, so you can see that these beads are easily attached, and there is no fear of moving them. You can see, even if I'm moving them by hand, it is not easily movable, so there is no fear of falling down or something. And just to make sure that they are properly attached, I am just moving this wire around this petal once or twice, it's up to you. And we will remove the extra wire. So in this way our flower is ready. And the next thing we will do is we will attach a crystal dangle like this. For this I have taken a small big size crystal dangle and one wire which can be easily bent like this. So just attach a wire to the pearl bead, to the crystal bead, and add it in any one petal of our flower, and just like this, and just move this wire around so that it can be attached. Remove the extra part. So the last thing we have to do is we have to add earring hook. So I have taken this earring hook and just attaching just opposite to this crystal dangle in an easy way. And you might think that I'm just simply attaching this hook to the petal. There is a possibility of moving it here and then, so it's really okay, there is no issue. And so in this way our beautiful flower earrings are ready. Thanks for watching.